Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some partly cloudy conditions out there currently. Going to see an increase of mid and upper level cloudiness across the region today. That's going to give us anywhere from a partly cloudy to mostly cloudy sky for this afternoon. But overall, a beautiful day in store. Slightly breezy winds this morning into the early afternoon hours, and winds should start dying down once we move into the late afternoon and early evening today. And we'll see a fairly nice start to your day on Saturday before we see an area low pressure bringing us rainfall for later in the day on Saturday into Sunday morning. So taking a look at our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 3,000 feet. Northwesterly winds throughout the column today and increasing with height, seeing winds around 20 to 30 knots between 1,000 and 6,000 feet, then increasing from 30 to 59 knots, or 32 to 59 knots from 9 to 16,000 feet, and then seeing a peak wind this morning at 79 knots out of the northwest at 25,000 feet. Looking at our surface analysis, we have high pressure that moved over the region last night, giving inland areas a very cold start to your late April day, seeing some freezing temperatures at Salisbury last night. This area high pressure will move off the coast with an area low pressure developing across the deep south and moving towards our region for Saturday evening. So taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, we do have a bit of cloud cover around 6,500 feet across the region this morning and some mid-level and upper-level cloudiness off the west. Taking a look at our camera shot this morning, you can see we do have that cloud cover in scattered nature across the region this morning around 6,500 feet. Looking at the European model for the next few days, you can see we have high pressure moving off the coast today. This is for Saturday. High pressure continuing off the coast. As I mentioned, a decent morning for Saturday morning, then increasing cloudiness during the afternoon with rain showers becoming likely by the evening hours and will continue through the overnight hours. That area low pressure tracking through the area. Could see a thunderstorm as well embedded in those rain showers as they move through Saturday night into Sunday. Sunday morning, we should see all the rain out of here, but can't rule out a lingering light rain shower or drizzle during the morning hours. We'll see some low cloudiness in the region before we see northwesterly winds pick up for Sunday afternoon. It will become quite breezy to windy for Sunday afternoon with winds gusting into the low 30s for knots. And we move into Monday looking like high pressure builds in from the north, giving us a fairly nice day overall. Then looks like we'll set the stage for a moderating trend and a warmer pattern across the region for the middle to end of next week. Tuesday, see high pressure off the coast, giving us much warmer air in the region, a ridge of high pressure over the region. And then for Wednesday, looks like Bermuda high sets up, and we could be in store for 2 to 3 days of well above normal temperatures from Wednesday through Friday of next week, with temperatures possibly in the lower 80s across the eastern shore, inland especially, possibly along the coast, and possibly could see some 90s in central Virginia, west of Chesapeake Bay for Wednesday into Thursday. So much warmer conditions in store across the region. We did see this bit of a cool snap to our weather yesterday and into the last 48 hours or so. So looking at a risk chart for today, a high around 61, a low tonight of 46, westerly to southwesterly winds possibly gusting up to 20 to 21 knots this morning into the early afternoon hours, then should die down overnight and becoming light by tomorrow morning, southwest 3 to 8 knots. A green chart across the board, so a very nice day to end your work week. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, VFR conditions the next 24 hours, just going to see that 6,500-foot deck in here. Should see that till about noon, and then that should move out of the region with just that upper-level cirrus cloudiness building in from the west. And by tomorrow morning, could see some clear skies overnight with just some mostly sunny skies by Saturday at 8 local. Our tides are normal, and looking at the weekend, Saturday partly cloudy in the morning, becoming mostly cloudy to overcast in the afternoon, with evening rain showers likely a high of 66 degrees. We'll see those rain shower chances during the evening up to about 70%, possibility of ceilings below 500 feet as well. Saturday night, overcast and breezy, rain likely, a slight chance of an embedded thunderstorm. We'll see abundant low cloudiness as well, a low of 53 degrees. We'll see those rain shower chances near 100%. Possibility of lightning around 25%. Winds could briefly gust up to 25 knots with that air low pressure passing by, and low ceilings look likely. Sunday, we'll see morning low clouds, slight chance of lingering shower, otherwise breezy and windy. Breezy to windy, and mostly to partly cloudy, a high of 68 degrees. So mild on Sunday, but with those winds out of the northwest gusting near 30 knots in the afternoon, we'll feel a little bit cooler than the upper 60s. we'll see that low cloudiness in the morning in here on Sunday as well. So the next 7 days, the only chance of rainfall looks like Saturday night into Sunday, and then dry conditions with moderating temperatures for next week. You can see 66 on Saturday, 68 on Sunday, 65 on Monday. Seeing those overnight lows in the upper 40s to mid 40s for Monday morning and Tuesday morning, and then we see our overnight lows really bump up to well above normal for Wednesday and Thursday morning, and those daytime highs also about 10 to 15 degrees above normal. Seeing 78 on Wednesday, 79 on Thursday. Possibility we see an upper level disturbance moving through for Thursday morning, kicking off some showers or thunderstorms. Right now, models are really having a difficult time determining the strength of that disturbance and whether it will actually move through the region. So right now we'll keep it partly cloudy and warm on Thursday with those highs in the upper 70s along the coast. And as I mentioned, should see low 80s to mid 80s inland on Wednesday and Thursday, and possibly seeing the first 90s in the Mid-Atlantic west of the Chesapeake Bay in central Virginia on Wednesday and Thursday as well. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.